away, my people. It don't happen again. It don't bust. It don't set. It don't scatter. Not be smart, my people. Make una carry una jokote sit down, come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one finish. I know say most of una know this lady, mommy love, my people. Mommy love don't fall out, my people. Not be small matter. Una know the trading news when they trend for everywhere concerning Prophetess Grace, my people. Not be small matter. Mommy love don't come talk. Not be small thing. Mommy love can't describe as the bwebwe thing be. On another place when cassava they enter, they say something they there, something they Prophetess Grace under. On understand, say bwebwe catch Prophetess Grace under. She can't say the bwebwe, say the bwebwe no be smoting, no say the thing they retain, no be smoting. He say as he see the thing, he can't feel for her, he can't tell her sorry. He say the thing can't dey white, say the thing he get as he be. The thing they son, my people not be small matter. He said Prophetess Grace na ashawo. He said true as Prophetess Grace they talk for inside that conversation when they viral everywhere. As she talk and say now she send her go give mommy love. Mommy love say yes now she send her, my people not be small thing no. Not be small matter. I say it don't set, it don't red. Not be small thing. Hey, may not come be say I too talk. Make una listen to mommy love. Yeah, for they talking outside, my people. Not be small thing. He say Prophetess disgrace. Say you know get secret. You know they keep secret at all. As it they pray for people. The audio when they go talk, he go send her out. Now so say Prophetess Grace, she not get secret, and he get person when still lay complaint give her for obodo yibo as be and they not get document. He can't advise the person, make the person may deport herself, come back, and they go take visa, take go back. My people wanna go hear everything. Not be smarting. I was shocked. The lights say kpkus bwe fu kpkus. Say where cassava they enter. Say cassava not the sea road till they enter again for that place. So not be smarting. Make una regard.
Do your kokokyo all those one they go pay show. Disgrace. You want use betray? Tell go use betray to friend with Ayoyoba. May you use me to pay show for Lala? No now. You go pay show too. Yeah. You happy, your husband, they carry on and go pay show. They come see supposed married woman. They come see how woman they gossip husband. Hey, wait. They come see how prophet lie. Prophetess way all day over the phone and shower. Then I come here plenty talk. Ah, prophet lie. Then they do sex video. Bell betrayer like you. Not even with the truth, lies. You job come out, you want to do saga. Because your mind don't tell you, say, you don't do it. She wrong. I don't even know, say, she don't, me not even quick get the whole thing. I don't know, say, she wrong, go to delay something for WhatsApp. She don't go to delay things for WhatsApp. You don't know, say, those things not delayed. You don't know, say those things, they're not delayed. Yo, they're not delayed. You don't know. Oh, Zuo. Somebody there, I said, well, somebody, whether now we are for even see that when one blogger say, Grace, snap to Toto, go give mommy love. Let's see, happen as something, one big thing cash out for Toto. One big thing cover the mouth of it Toto. Why? You see, they say, now inside body, the thing can't be boy, can't be cover that place where cassava they enter. Can't cover her. The thing big, white. She snap her. She said, she snap her. She said that to me. Oh, I can't pity for her. I said, Jesus. I don't feel looking. I said, Jesus. What is this? Then you come to the feed and meet your husband. He said, they said they're not feel operator. I say, really? Hey. As I sight the thing, my body change. Body come, you know, body they read me easily. They read me where. I can't, that is the thing, son on me where. The thing looks somehow very disgusting. The thing looks so disgusting. I can't say, oh, I can't dey pity for her. That day I won't cry. It's on top of my bed. I say, oh, if I be bad person, you as you go betray me now with lie. If I be bad person, I'll create fake account, I'll post her out there. Make people see your toto. But I'm not somebody, I can't do it. No. I can't do that. That particular one, no. Might not reach me. I don't get strong hearts as you get strong hearts. You know, she knows me very well. I don't get that kind of strong hearts. Person you offend me, yes, I feel vex, retaliate. But it gets some kind of things I don't feel do. If I be bad person like if now disgrace, oh, now my thought that thing then oh, you don't reach enemy hands since she go out there forward that they go. She go out there forward that through WhatsApp they go. She go out there forward that they go. My enemy will commit suicide. She go out there forward that they go. She go out there forward. But I can't do such now. Conscience, I don't fit. I've been at the disease, different disease where husband they give her, where she they try to cure. You fucked up. You don't know the value of friendship. I thought you know the value of friendship. You don't betray someone you truly call your own. I just say they betray all those people. They don't mean anything to you, but you said I mean a lot to you. Then how come you betray me? How come? When you have swear, I mean a lot to you. I'm your hand, I'm your leg, I'm your everything. That's what you always say, praising me. Then why did you betray me? Do you know betrayed? You just give me free access to talk to you, to expose you. What you do doesn't really concern me. Yeah, you trust me, and I cannot share that. No, never. No matter what. I'm not somebody like that. I'm not somebody like that. I can't share such thing. She said it yesterday. This idiot is telling me now you don't have it. She said it yesterday. Go and listen to the video she did yesterday. She said, yeah, she sent me a toto. She sent it. It's not a lie. I know they use like they do my own saga. You see her old member yesterday say she not the beauty. I said she the beauty because I see her. When I go to Nigeria, I see the church. I'm not gonna say because I got the verse for her. I'm gonna say, hey, not the beauty church. No. I'm not somebody like that. I go with my truth. My truth. So anything she do, we bounce back to her. Yeah, because she's very diabolic. I'm not going to use lie. Far from it. For me to use lie, what's the point? Saga na by force. To respond na by force. Not be by force. So what's the need? Now she start this betray with lie. You want to make friend with her? You are very friend. I'm not a jealous person. But not for you to, the way you have betrayed others. For disgrace to talk. Go cool off for inside there also. Now see what this disgrace do. I put down there, I said disgrace. I just prove some things. I think I should play more. Some things.
Okay, see me, stop to the tie yourself.
Okay, more than
you know, yeah, man. You say now, Leon. Anything do you today? Now you chot, eh? Now you chot. Why you go to tie yourself? Say the belly, the pain, you decline. Now me, now the tie, they chop all this back. So, if you know, say you know, if you see anything, tell them deport yourself. Call Nigeria. Cut it yourself. Then you take visa, take go back. As you wait for document, you don't see pay. They not still give you so.
You see her?
Yeah.
She they encourage her make it travel. This one their talk, private talk. She forward it just as she forward all her member audios. She record any audio they say she go forward them. Anyone she record, she go forward them. No intimacy, nothing. No privacy. Betrayal in the highest order. Betrayal in the highest order. People, all their problem when they complain. Even those I don't even know. All of them how to deal with me. Wait, don't call disgrace. All of them how to deal with me. All of them. You see her? She dey encourage her, she can't deport herself. She know me well. Even the day she followed that one cry. She said that to me. She said, I said, you chuchu they cry. He say for John. She's a bit forced cry. Where with people? She's a bit forced cry. Where? When I see her, she dey trick that one. And she dey worse that one condition. She go dey laugh down. If that one cry, say, oh, she go dey mock that one for back. Go dey mock her. Go dey rejoice over her pain. Mona, listen, my people. Which one be this? Now, you can see pictures. I don't want to show her because of, okay, me I'm not sure. It did disgusting somehow. Picture where that one sent. Body, where did they go on? He forward everything. Other ones, naked is naked. Where she get challenged, he forward everything to me. And she know that I'm related to this person. This person is my relative. We are cousins. You see? And she talk bad of her, do all kinds of talk behind her back. You see? Is a real prophetess supposed to live life like that? People will trust you to say all that they are going through. Then you will betray them. You will narrate them. You will keep their secret. When they refuse to contribute to your church, to your evil church, you want to blackmail them. All this picture where they are not fish sure. See? It's kind of naked something. I know fish one. Betrayer in the highest order. Why are you betraying people? Now, let me pause here. I want, before I go on, Disgrace. Who know Anita? Anita the monkey. Mona go call her come. What did you do to Anita the monkey recently? Disgrace. Rat wey go dey chop person, go dey breeze person. What do you do to Anita? Oh my goodness, you are a betrayer. You know what? I am not a betrayer. You see all those your pages where be say I be admin. God remove me as an admin. I don't know how to do evil. If I get wickedness, since yesterday I don't delete those Facebook. I all disappear them. Go and remove me as an admin. I'm not interested. I don't know how to spoil person something. Go remove me for admin, okay? Because I need someone to make me remember, say I be admin for your pages. Go and remove me. I don't want to be admin there. Disgrace, go and take me off. Take me out as an admin. If I be bad person, I'll go chook and put. But no, I don't do such thing. But go remove me, okay? Disgrace today, yeah? Go remove me as an admin. Go and remove me. If you want to leave, huh? But I will say remove me, okay? Where do you do to Anita? Anita, where say be Nenemi Shamba of Kovu, whatever she called it. What do you do to her?